this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make over $400,000 on YouTube with copy and paste videos. This is going to be very simple to do, guys, so make sure to watch this video till end because you don't want to miss this opportunity in 2020. It is very, as I said, very easy to do. So before we jump straight into this video, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button and also make sure to press that like button if you want to see more videos like this on how to make money on YouTube very easily. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So the video that we're going to use, for example, is this one. So just watch it for a few seconds.
Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money?
So the niche for these videos on YouTube are motivational. So here you can see in the title, best motivational video. So this video has in 1 year over 25 million views. So to give you guys in perspective how much money this video would make, so it is not over 10 minutes long, so it is going to make a little bit less money, but 25 million views times $3. So for every 1,000 views, this video is going to earn $3 divided by 1,000 views, because it is earning for every 1,000 views $3. So this video alone made $75,000. So this is just from one stream of income, guys, and if you watch this video till end, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways to make money from YouTube videos. So how you can create 3 different streams of income from one YouTube channel. So here you can see just this video has got $75,000 easily just from AdSense. So just from ads that you can see on YouTube. And if you calculate the views of this channel in just few years, this channel has generated 141 million views. So that is a little bit over $420,000. So $420,000 just from a YouTube channel, just from AdSense. So we are not going to talk about other streams of income. We are going to talk about that a little bit later. So the first thing that we need to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can exactly make these videos. So where you can get the videos that are going to display in your videos like this one, and also how you can get some motivational speech in the background. So how you can get a voice that is going to speak your motivational stuff in the background, so you can create exactly like this your videos with only copy and paste. So it is going to be very useful video, guys. So the first thing that we're going to talk about, and yeah, also this is also one of the biggest channels on YouTube. So here you can see, guys, this channel has on one of his videos 64 million views in just one video. Other video 54 million views. And here you can see that this is really useful method to make some money online. And if we can see his earnings from AdSense, he has made over $780,000 just from ads on this YouTube channel. So guys, first thing, how you can do it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it. So you can go on YouTube, and what you want to do is you want to type in motivational speech. So that is the first step. So when you click on search right here on YouTube, you don't want to go and watch these videos. You want to go and click on filter, and after that you want to click on Creative Commons. So to give you guys in perspective what is Creative Commons, that is something that these people are allowing you guys to use their videos, so you can go and re-upload the videos, or you can use the sounds in the video. So we don't want to take their video, we just want the sound from the video. So if we click on this first video right here,
everyone in the world is capable of living outside the role.
so here you can see This video has motivational speech in the background and some random videos. So we are going to take much better looking videos. So from this motivational speech, we're going to create something much bigger, and we are going to get a lot more views that way. So how you can do it? We're going to copy the link of this YouTube video. So you can go on Google and type in YouTube MP3 downloader. So here you can see this is one of the websites that I use to download the YouTube video. So here you can see you can paste here your link for the video that you want to download in MP3. So we're going to do it. So here you can see downloading starting. So we're going to only download the sound. We are not going to download the video. We're downloading only the sound of this video. So we're going to put that in the background. So now the only thing that we need is to create some 10-minute video that we're also going to do copy and paste. So how I take my videos, from where I take my videos, if you go on pixels.com/videos. So again, pixels.com/videos. Here you can see the link for this website. You can get the best free stocks videos shared by Pixel community. So you can go actually and download those videos, and you can re-upload it on your YouTube channel. So what you want to do is you want to combine these videos just to show you guys some of the examples of the videos that you can go and download. So here you can see this one is really beautiful, if you ask me. So how you can actually go and download this video for free, here you can see the button right here, free download. So click on that, and you're going to start. You can see we have downloaded the video on our desktop. So you can go, as I said, and reuse these beautiful images and not get copyright strike. So I think that these videos are really amazing. That is my opinion, because these are not only HD videos, but they're really high quality videos. So you can't really get anywhere else for free videos like this, because people are charging, so they want some money to earn from these kind of videos, because these are very good videos and very high quality. So what we want to do is we want to take and download this 6 or 10 second, or sometimes here you can see this one is 15-second video. We want to combine them, create 10-minute video, and put the song in the background. So if you don't know how to do it, guys, if you want to show you guys some editing skills, how you can go and edit these videos, create your own video from this method, make sure to press that like button and leave a comment down below that you want to see how should you edit these videos. So again, it is really simple, anyone can do it, and it is just copy and paste, nothing else. So a lot of you guys are now going to ask me, I have created video, I have uploaded on YouTube, I'm getting some views, so how I'm going to make some money from my videos? So first and obvious one is you should go and sign up for AdSense once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So once you reach that, you can go and get ads on your videos. But that is not only stream of income that we are going to talk about, because that is basically where you're going to make a list of your money. So when I showed you guys in the beginning that one channel made $420,000 just from ads, he's making way more different ways than just ads on YouTube. So the second stream of income I'm going to show you guys. Here you can see this is again motivational video. So they have again some of the motivational speech in the background. So the reason how this also channel is making some money is with affiliate links. So right here you can see this is Amazon affiliate link. So if we click on this link, they're going to send you guys to Amazon, and when someone purchases something from this Amazon affiliate link, you can earn commission from I think 5% to 12%. So just to show you guys how this works, so if you go on Amazon affiliate, right here you can see this is Amazon affiliate program, so you can go and join for free, and this is going to be our second stream of income. So here you can see if someone buys furniture from your affiliate link, you can earn 8%. So when someone buys something, let's say but they buy a table for $100, you're going to earn $8. So that is other stream of income, because people are buying every day something from Amazon, and from all online sales, 50% of the sales comes from Amazon. So this is one of the greatest ways to make some money online, because as I said, people are buying everything from Amazon. So you can expect also when you offer this link, Amazon link, people are going to click it, and they're maybe going to buy not only just table, they're going to buy some let's say laptop or TV or some book. It doesn't really matter. So you're going to earn a commission on every single product that someone bought that you have recommended. So if someone buys, let's say 10,000 worth of stuff, you're going to earn $800 just from one click. So that is second stream of income, and it is very useful, guys. I can make some money with Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, and it works really great in my opinion. So here you can see 7 million people, and you can't even imagine how many people have clicked on this Amazon affiliate link. Let's say 100,000 people clicked on this link, and for each click you have earned, let's say, $1. That is $100,000 in commissions just from recommending Amazon affiliate link. So that is our second stream of income. So our third stream of income should be some digital products that are related to motivation. So what I usually do is I promote Clickbank products. So what is Clickbank? It is basically something similar like Amazon. So you can go on Clickbank, sign up for free again, and promote these products, but not for small commissions like 8% or 5% like on Amazon. You can go and sell digital products for really high commissions. So just to show you guys which products should you promote on motivational niche, you should go and click on affiliate marketplace. And what I really suggest you guys is you should go and click on this category right here. So right here you can see new manifestation product. So for each sale of this product you're going to earn 72%. So again, we're not going to talk about small commissions, we're going to talk about big commissions. 72% is really high commission. So let's say if this product costs $100, someone bought it through your affiliate link, you should earn $72. So in this case, this product costs $47, and for each sale, on average, you're going to earn $39.37. So that is a really high commission, guys. So imagine that for people that are watching some motivational video, just to show you guys how this product looks like. So it is great sales page, and they're talking about some motivation, how you can motivate yourself, how you can change your life, how you can make more money, how you can be more, how you can attract more happiness. And this is a really great product, and here you can see you can earn really great commissions from this kind of digital products, because they don't have any costs for creating the product. This is digital product, people are going to just download it, and that is how you're going to make money. So right here to show you guys in perspective how much money you can make. So let's say We're not going to talk about that 25 million viewed video because that is not going to happen. It is really hard to get that many views on one video. That is really crazy number. And also 7 million views is really high, but let's say we have 7 million viewed video with our affiliate links from Amazon, and that is our second stream of income. Our first stream of income is AdSense, and let's say we have Clickbank products also as our third stream of income. So let's calculate how much money you can earn from Clickbank from one YouTube video. So here you can see this video has 7 million views. So let's say only 100,000 people clicked on your affiliate link for Clickbank product. So let's say 100,000 people. 100,000 people. So from that 100,000 people for this product with free, and they don't have how much is their conversion rate, but usually for this product around 5% conversion rate is. So that means from 100 people, only 5 people are going to buy the product. So let's calculate that. So let's say times 5 divided by 100. So you could get from that 5,000 sales. So how much money you can earn from 5,000 sales? Here you can see this product, you can earn $40 on average per sale. We're going to say $39. So you can, 5,000 times $39. You can earn from one video with this affiliate program $195,000. That is really crazy number, but it is really possible because you have really high, really targeted traffic. So if we combine AdSense, Amazon, and Clickbank, we can create 3 different streams of income and make a lot of money. So you don't need to have, let's say, millions of views to get, let's say, $1,000 per day. These are really high numbers, high views, but you don't really need that much views to, let's say, reach your first $100 per day. $100 per day is also life-changing for some of you guys. So that would be really great to reach that first goal. Then when you reach that $100 per day, you should aim for $1,000 per day and grow and grow. So guys, that would be it for today's videos. If you want to see more videos like this, I really want to ask you guys to smash that like button, because that is going to notify me that you want to see more videos like this. And also make sure to leave a comment down below if you don't know how to edit these videos, so I can show you guys step by step how you can go and again download the MP3 file of the video and then create your own video from these pixel videos. So if you want to see that, leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.